Let's take a look at the Mercedes-AMG G63 4x4 squared, as it takes on the suspension bump test. Initially driving over the bumps at 40 km/h, a few droplets spill from the glass. Stepping up the speed to 80 km/h. More droplets spill from the glass, indicating a moderate level of instability. It may have higher suspensions and ground clearance, but the anticipated level of stability is not fully realized in the G63 4x4 based on these results. In comparison, the GWM tank conquers the bumps at the same speed of 80 km/h with minimal droplet spillage from the glass, exemplifying exceptional stability and control. Now, let us compare with the more rugged road bumps with the Mercedes-AMG G63 squared against the GWM tank by driving them side by side at 80 km/h. Upon observing both vehicles in action, it becomes evident that they both yield almost identical outcomes, with a significant amount of droplets spilling from the glass. This parallel performance culminates in a disappointing result, signaling a comprehensive failure in the test for both vehicles.